Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an update from Orlando Magistrate's Court involving 3 members of Operation Dudulamembers. The 3 were recently released on a warning after appearing before the court. Please stay with me until the end so you can hear the sources and verify the news for yourself. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with important updates from around South Africa. Operation Dudulamembers has been in the spotlight for quite some time now, known for its firm stance against illegal immigration and its active role in community patrols and public demonstrations. The group's actions have sparked both support and criticism, making them one of the most talked about community movements in recent times. The recent court appearance of these 3 members was another chapter in the ongoing story of Dudulamembers' efforts and the legal challenges that sometimes follow. The 3 individuals were brought to court on charges that related to their activities during one of Dudulamembers' recent operations. The exact nature of the charges has not been fully detailed by the court, but they generally involve allegations connected to public order and alleged intimidation during community patrols. After hearing the arguments, the magistrate decided to release all 3 on a formal warning, which means they are free to go but must be mindful of their conduct going forward. This decision has stirred mixed reactions. Supporters of Operation Dudulamembers are pleased, viewing it as a sign that the justice system acknowledges the legitimacy of their concerns and approach. Many believe the warning is a fair outcome, considering that the group claims to act in the interest of protecting South African communities from illegal immigration and related issues. On the other hand, critics argue that the warning may send the wrong message, potentially encouraging further actions that skirt the edges of the law. They caution that community-based enforcement without proper oversight can sometimes lead to rights violations and unnecessary tensions. This is a delicate balance that courts and law enforcement must constantly navigate. In the days following the court decision, social media platforms were abuzz with opinions. Some users praised the magistrate for a sensible ruling that avoids over-penalizing community activists. Others expressed concerns about what they see as insufficient consequences for potentially disruptive behavior. The debate highlights how deeply divided public opinion is when it comes to issues of immigration, community safety, and activism in South Africa. Legal experts note that releasing the members on warning allows the justice system to keep the situation under watch without escalating tensions. It also gives the individuals a chance to demonstrate responsible behavior going forward, with the understanding that any further infractions could result in harsher penalties. This approach can sometimes de-escalate conflicts by offering a path to compliance rather than immediate punishment. For the members of Operation Dudulamembers, this warning does not signal a stop to their activities. The group has indicated that they will continue with their community patrols and efforts to address illegal immigration, emphasizing the need for government support and better enforcement of existing laws. Their spokesperson reminded the public that the group's actions are driven by a desire to protect South African jobs, services, and communities. Meanwhile, the broader community remains attentive. Many local residents see Operation Dudulamembers as a double-edged sword. Some appreciate the attention brought to illegal immigration, while others worry about potential vigilantism and disruption to peaceful coexistence. The court's warning in this case might be viewed as a legal checkpoint, a reminder that activism must stay within the boundaries of the law. It is also worth mentioning that the courts face considerable challenges in balancing competing rights and interests. On the one hand, there is the right of communities to organize and express their concerns. On the other hand, there is the need to protect individual rights and maintain public order. This is a common challenge not only in South Africa but in many democracies around the world. In a lighter vein, if South African courts had a frequent flyer program, I'm sure Operation Dudulamembers members would have racked up some serious points by now. Their court visits have become almost as regular as a Sunday braai. But jokes aside, this reflects the intense scrutiny and pressure that both activists and the justice system are under in this ongoing saga. Looking ahead, it remains to be seen how Operation Dudula will navigate its future activities in light of this warning. Will they take the court's message seriously and adjust their methods, or will tensions continue to rise? Only time will tell, and we will keep you updated every step of the way. Thank you for watching. If you found this update helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future news. Remember, always check the sources yourself to get the full picture. All images used are for illustration purposes only. Sources: Orlando Magistrate's Court records, Operation Dudula statements, local media reports, legal expert commentary.